have partnered with Grand Rapids Public Museum as a part of their Cultural Heritage Festival. So what we did was we brought this giant 5-foot paella pan today, and we were cooking arroz con pollo. And this is a dish that we learned how to make during World Central Kitchen chef emergency training. We worked with their chefs on how do you prepare food during a disaster.
It's designed for going into a disaster zone and really set up shop without electricity, without heat, steam, any of that. So we have the paella pan, which is self-contained with gas containers, and then we just purchase the food pre-cut, pre-cooked, then we put it together and we let the food and the rice cook together.
For arroz con pollo, we use a base of onion, bell peppers, garlic, we add chicken, we add rice, and then I think what makes it so special is all of the different spices that we add to it. We're adding clove, turmeric, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, cilantro, so lots of really nice flavor profiles that come into this. We did end up having a really great turnout here today, and we sold 8-ounce cups of the arroz con pollo for $5, which went to benefit all of our GRCC culinary students. It's really nice to be involved in this festival for the community and also have some kickback go to our culinary students. And we had a total of 6 students here today that were actually volunteering with us as well. So it's good for them to get out and see the community, talk about the program, and just interact with everybody.